What is good, YouTube? China FX back. Hey man, listen. So in this video, I'm about to show you how I was able to catch about 250 pips trading GBP AUD. So if you really want to learn how I did it, do yourself a favor by watching this video to the end. Do yourself a favor by sticking to the end of this video. If you're also interested in catching moves like this on your own, just DM me on Instagram at CharlesFX to get yourself enrolled in my one-on-one mentorship. If you also haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that like button, and make sure to drop a comment down below. So with that being said, let's just get to business. Alright, so now starting from the 4H time frame, GBP AUD, what's the first thing we need to do? The first thing we need to do is identify what the trend of the market. Now looking at our chart, what trend are we in? We're in an uptrend, but now price has shifted into a downtrend. Yeah. So now after we've identified our trend of the market, what was the next thing we did? The next thing we did was to identify our market structures. Yeah, so now let's get into the charts and let's identify our market structures together. So from here, what do we have here? Price created what a lower high, came back down, created what a lower low, consolidated for some time, and they were created a higher low. Why is this a higher low? Because this higher low led to the break of our previous lower high, therefore creating a new higher high. So now why is this our new higher high? Because this high is higher than that of its previous high. So now this becomes our new higher high. After this higher high was formed, what the price do next? Price came back down to form a higher low. Why is this our new higher low? Because this low is higher than that of its previous low. So now this structure becomes our new higher low. After this higher low was formed, what the price do next? Price rallied back up to create a new higher high. Why is this a new higher high? Because this high is higher than that of its previous high. So this becomes our new higher high. After this high was formed, what the price do next? Price retraced down to create a new higher low. Why is this a new higher low? Because this low is higher than that of each previous higher low. So now this becomes our new higher low. After this higher low was created, what the price do next? Price went back up to create a new higher high. And why is this our new higher high? Because this high is higher than that of its previous high. So now this becomes our new higher high. After price created this higher high, what did it do next? It came back down, created a new lower high. Why is this our new lower high? Because this high led to the break of this higher low, therefore creating a new lower low. So at this point, price has shifted from bullish market structures to bearish market structures. But that's not what we want to focus on. So as at the time I was taking the trade here, price was trading between this higher low and this higher high. So after we've identified our market structures, what was the next thing I identified? So the next thing I identified was my key level. And when I say key levels, what am I talking about? We are talking about support becoming resistance or resistance becoming support. And since price was giving us a series of bullish market structures, what key level did I identify? I identified what resistance to become what support. Right? So after I've identified my key levels, what was the next thing I did? The next thing I did was to drop down to my H1 time frame to look for my entry. So now let's drop down to our H1 time frame to look for our entry. Now, when we came down to our H1 time frame, what was the first thing we realized? We realized on the H1 time frame, price was also giving us a bullish market structure. Yeah. Now, after price gave us the bullish market structures, the other thing we also realized was after price broke above our previous higher high, which is this zone right here, which is this resistance right here, it came back to retest it. Yeah, but after it retested, it couldn't push back to break above the current or higher high. So what it did was it went back up and it broke below our key level. After price went back up a little bit, it came back down and broke below our key level. Now looking at how it broke below our key level, we realized that price was forming a reversal chart pattern. So looking at this pattern over here or looking at this structure over here, what do we see? What alphabet does it resemble? Or what alphabet does it look like? It looks like an M, isn't it? So this M or this chart pattern formation is what we call a reversal chart pattern. So my first entry could have been here. Yeah, I could have entered here and placed my stop loss way above the structure level, but it wouldn't be a good risk to reward for me. So I decided not to enter this trade. After I didn't enter this trade, my thought process was that price has broken above our key level. Yeah. So the next thing I'm looking for is what a retest of our key level and a formation of another what reversal pattern, which is another M. So we can continue back to the downside. But that's not what price did. So after price broke below our key level, what did it do next? It broke above it again, retested it, went back up, and finally broke below it. You can also say this structure price formed here was also an M. Yeah, it was the same thing it did over here and repeated itself again, but this one, a smaller version of the first one it created over here, right? So after price managed to break below it, not just breaking below it, it also broke below the neckline. Yeah, with this bearish momentum candlestick. Yeah, after price managed to break below the neckline with this bearish momentum candlestick, that's when I went in for sales, placed my stop loss right above this level. My first TP was our current higher low, which is this higher low right here. When price started going in my direction and it got to our first TP, what did it do? Price broke above it with a bearish momentum candlestick, telling me it's likely price will continue further to the downside. Alright, so that's when I extended my TP to our previous lower high level. If you are to go on the H4 time frame, this level, this lower high level, that's where I extended my TP to. Yeah, giving me a risk to reward of 1:5.5, risking 44 pips to make what 247 pips. As simple as that. What the price do next? Price drop down to hit my full TP. Nothing complicated, real simple. Alright. So this I was able to catch about 250 pips trading GBP AUD. So like I said earlier on, if you're interested in catching moves like this on your own, DM me on Instagram at FX to get yourself enrolled in my one-on-one mentorship. If you also haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to drop a comment down below. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. FX. Peace. I'm out.